In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Xbox Wireless headset into your Steam Deck. The first step that you have to do is to hold on to your Xbox Wireless headset. You need to press and hold the power button until the light starts blinking. This will turn on the pairing mode. The pairing mode will be needed in order for us to connect it to the Bluetooth of our Steam Deck. Now, after entering the pairing mode, we have to open the Bluetooth settings on this Steam Deck. In your Bluetooth settings, you have to show all the available devices in order for you to scan our Xbox Wireless headset. Now, your Xbox Wireless headset should appear in the list of all the available devices to pair. Now, select the headset and then tap on it. Once connected, you have to go into the settings and then head into the audio settings. You have to select the headset as your default output device. That's it. That's how you can connect your Xbox Wireless headset, and thank you for listening.